Hello guys, welcome back Rana Sam YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about some another topic on my YouTube channel, and if you want to come in digital marketing sector, so that video will be very beneficial for you, because in this video we will talk about step by step around 5 point. And this is another very great video if you want to start your digital marketing career, and I know that because I have already faced that kind of issue in my life. So that's why I'm creating this video, because if you are a beginner and you have this kind of question in your mind, whenever you start your career as a fresher in digital marketing sector. So that's why I'm creating this video. If you are a newcomer on my YouTube channel, so please like and subscribe and share. And if you want to update yourself with digital marketing news and news and update, so you can watch my you should watch my last video. I have uploaded two video regarding new platform. So you should watch my that video. In that video I have discussed around 10 news what have been changed in digital marketing industry in the last 2 months. So so if you want to make your career in digital marketing sector, so this is my recommendation. You have to watch that video, because if you are a digital marketer or you are not engaged your industry, so to be honest, your career going to down. So that's why I have made that platform. You can easily connect with digital marketing news and update by the help of my new platform. And I have put the link in the description box. If you want to watch that video, so you can watch that video by the help of link in description box. So let's start. If I talk about the today question is HTML and CSS and JavaScript in mandatory to learn for digital marketer? So we are going to talk about step by step in this video around 5 points. And to be honest, I will share crucial information with everyone. And I have noted around 5 points on my notebook. And in this video, honestly, we have why you have to learn this thing, and how you can learn this thing complete free of cost. And your salary package, whenever you have learned this kind of skills, so your package will be affected, yeah, or not. So I will discuss everything in that video. So please watch till the end, and let's start. If I talk about the discussion, so first of all, first point in that video, what is digital marketing. So honestly, digital marketing is kind of communication channel, how you can engage how you can engage with your audience by the help of online platform. So we have the 10 types of digital marketing, but honestly we are only using the 3 or 4 types of digital marketing right now. So it completely depends your industry, your niche, and your client in niche. So which platform better for you and your client, and that platform you can start very easily by the help of by the help of connecting this that platform. So this is a basic information about the digital marketing. If you want to know more, if you want to know more about the digital marketing, so you can watch my you should watch my complete video on my YouTube channel. I have uploaded 1 month ago. So in that video you know everything about the digital marketing. What are the types of digital marketing, why we are using digital marketing, what are the benefit of digital marketing, disadvantage digital marketing. So I have covered everything in that video. If I talk about the second point, what is HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So if you are a developer, so you know very well what is HTML and JavaScript and CSS. But I know that we have lots of pressure right now. So that's why I'm disclosing definition of HTML. HTML actually basically hypertext markup language, and CSS is a cascading style sheet, and JavaScript is a kind of code where we can use to calculate any kind of activity on our website page. So if I talk about the first of all HTML. So HTML, I have told you recently, is a hypertext markup language. Whenever we want to connect something with our website, so we have to use HTML programming language. This is a basic hypertext programming language. If you want to make your website, so you have to learn HTML programming language anyhow. And basically the HTML gives the structure of the our website. But if you want to make your website beauty and engageable, so you have to use CSS. CSS basically is a kind of programming language. If you want to give some kind of beauty to your website, so you have to use CSS. CSS, what are I completely like, you want to give the green color, you want to give the white color for your website, so you have to use cascading style sheet. So actually we have the three types of cascading style sheet. Style sheet, first one is a inline style sheet, second one is internal style sheet, and third one is external style sheet. If you want to know more about the HTML and CSS, so you can watch my complete video I have uploaded on my YouTube video. So you should watch completely. In that video I have covered how you can learn the HTML and CSS programming language without free of cost. If I talk about the JavaScript, so JavaScript is another programming language. the- uh, uh, First of all, I want to cover I want to clear one down. JavaScript is not a subset of Java programming language. Is completely different things, and Java is a completely different things. So if you have doubt, if you have any doubt in your mind, so this is a completely this is a that platform is completely different from the Java programming language. If I talk about the JavaScript, a JavaScript kind of programming language, if you want to give any kind of event to your website, so you have to use JavaScript programming language. So I have told you all three things recently. If you want to know more, so you should watch the video on the YouTube channel, anyone. And you can learn more about this thing. If I talk about the third point in that video, actually if you are a digital marketer and you want to learn Java, so I will share the everything, how you can why you can learn HTML and CSS and JavaScript. Honestly, if you are a digital marketer and you want to learn of HTML and CSS and JavaScript, so you should go. I will tell you why. Whenever you want to start your digital marketing career, yeah, you have the 5 year experience, and company want to everything about the website. That's why that a digital marketer need to learn completely HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Honestly, if I talk about the learning, it is just a piece of cake. It's not a proper programming language like C++ and Java. If you want to learn if you want to learn this thing, so you can easily learn this thing without pay any kind of money. You can watch. I will tell you how you can learn this thing. But honestly, if you want to boost your career as a digital marketer, so I will suggest to you should learn these skills. I have also learned HTML and CSS, and recently I'm learning Java skill, because I know that if I don't have idea how HTML and JavaScript and CSS work right now, so my career is stuck somewhere. So that's why I'm learning this skill. If I talk about the fourth point, how you can learn this thing without any pay, okay? So this thing, so I will tell you, we have the two options. The first one is free of cost, the second one is with cost. So you can it completely depend on yourself. But I will suggest you, if you want to learn about the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, so you should opt always YouTube. YouTube giving the platform you can learn very easily everything about the IT sector without paying any kind of money. and you can learn lots of basic understanding about the any programming language. And I will tell you one YouTube channel, WS Cube. In that YouTube channel, you can learn everything about the IT sector, like cyber security, everything. So I will suggest you, please don't waste your money. If you want to learn about the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So you should start right now by the help of WSQ YouTube channel. So if I talk about the paid, if you have the lots of money and your family background extremely well, so you should go. You can learn by the help of any institute. If you are living in if you're staying in Delhi NCR, so you can easily get the admission in any kind of institute, and you can start your journey right now. If I talk about the salary difference between if you have learned HTML and CSS and JavaScript, so I know honestly the salary will be different because if you have the learning always give you extra weightage in your life. On this is my recommendation. So that's why if you and if you want to make career in digital marketing sector and you want to become a digital marketer, honestly keep in the mind always the learning is your key of success, because if you don't have this kind of thing in your mind, so I will suggest you, please don't come in the IT sector, in digital marketing sector, because if you don't have this kind of things, you are not learning something new in your life, so your career is stuck somewhere. So that's why I'm suggesting you. So if you want to learn HTML and CSS and JavaScript, so you should go right now by the help of YouTube. If I talk about which field require more for HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So this actually I have seen around three or four field right now, but I have divided three category, and I will tell you which will have the most weightage: HTML and CSS and JavaScript. The first one is SEO, and second one is social media marketing, and third one is social media social Google Ads. So these three platform need the proper if you have the good programming language, so you have the good command this for these three kind of skills. So that's all in this video. If you have any question regarding this video, so please put their question in the comment box. Yeah, if you want to make the video on their specific question, please put their question in the comment box. Like and subscribe and share.